Asuntosketti Jyväskylän Kolikkomäki.
Yes, today it's the night of 2021. We have Kolikkotie fire station here, and we are also here in one of the suburbs of Jyväskylä. Keski-Suomi, west of Finland. Finland has history. Persian Turboiper was built in 1970. They're 50 years old in last year, 2020. The handrails have been changed here, otherwise they'll be the original.
Yeah.
The SIM number is H18866, so we have just been to the staircase A. We'll also go to the staircase C and D. We'll be inspected in 2023. And 5 floors. I like the smell here too.
Same here.
Somebody's coming.
Yeah.
Don't know if they're gonna use the elevator.
Yeah. No. Tippaa kiva inspektää, että me eteen paikka on.
I thought he was gonna use the elevator.
Same here.
Then I was thinking, but it's open during the daytime, so you couldn't have come to complain that what are you doing in this?
Yeah.
Because I had just started to think about it, but then I thought that this is open during the daytime, so it doesn't matter anyway.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the stage and see it.
That's it.